Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is Mathematics. And this online lecture is for the class 2. And you all know this is the Mathematics lecture. Now, as you know this thing that we always begin our lecture with the quote. So today also we are going to start our lecture with the quote. So here is the quote of the day. Stop waiting for tomorrow, start now. Don't wait for the tomorrow. Always start the thing. It means the study right now. Don't wait for the tomorrow. Now, we are in the chapter number 1 of your textbook. And the name of this chapter is numbers up to 200. This is the name of your chapter. So first of all, let's do revision of the previous lecture first, and then we are going for the new topic today. But revision is a compulsory, so let's do revision first, and then we are moving to the next topic. I hope that you all have no any doubt regarding the previous topic. But therefore, if someone have doubt regarding the previous topic, so it will be a solve today. First of all, let's do the revision, and then we are moving to the new topic. Whatever the exercise we had done in the previous lecture, you have to write down this in the fair book, and that is compulsory for you all to write down the exercise in the fair book. If you still not write it, so the PDF is already sent in the WhatsApp group, so from there just note down in the fair book. In the previous lecture we had done this exercise 1A. So let's do revision of this exercise 1A first. So if anybody have doubt regarding this exercise 1A, let's do this exercise again here. We are revising this exercise now. Now, see, read the heading of the question number 2. Say the number out loud as you write them. Whenever you solve any exercise, always look for the instruction. That what instruction is given. Always look for the instruction. So as we already know the concept of ones, tens and hundreds, so here is the same exercise given. That number A is already had done. The yellow square is indicates the value for the 100. So there is only one box is given. So we have to write down 1 under the hundreds box. The answer space is given. This is only one box is given, so we have to write down 1 here. Then the brown color boxes. These boxes are given. So we have to write down 1 under the tens column. This way. And at the last, this green color square is given, which is a small in a size. So it is 1 2, 3 and 4. These squares are 4. So we have to write down this 4 number in the given space for the ones. Now the number is 114. What the number is? 114. This is the number. Now number B. See, only one yellow square is given. What? Only one yellow square is given. So at the place of 100, we have to write down 1. In the empty box at the hundreds place, we have to write down 1. Then 2, 3 brown boxes are given. You can see here 3 brown boxes are given. So we have to write down 3 at the given space at the tens box. And there is no any value is given for the ones. There is no any green boxes are there. There is no any value given for the ones. So we can put a 0 under the ones column. Now let's go for the number C. See, yellow box. Just look for the yellow box. That only one box is given for the hundreds place. So we have to write down 1 at the hundreds box, which is already given. Now number C, how many brown boxes are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 boxes are given. So at the tens place, the box is given for the answer. We have to write down 5. Now for the ones value, number 3 boxes are given, which is green in color. So there are number 3 we have to write down at the ones column. Now the number is 153. What the number is? The number is 153. Now let's go for the number D, which is only one yellow box is given. So at the hundreds place, we have to note down 1 at the hundreds place. There is no any value is given for the tens. There is no any value is given for the tens. So let's write down 0 under the tens column, because no any value is given for the tens. Now the ones value is given, which is 9. How many ones value are there? There are 9 boxes are given, which is green in color. So we have to write down 9 under the ones column. And how we can read this number? So we can read this number for the number D is 109. This way we can read the number. Then number E. So in the number D, only hundreds value are given, which is 2 boxes. Only 2 boxes are given at the hundreds place. Yellow boxes are given, which is 2. So we have to write down 2 at the place of 100. There is no any tens value is given. So we can write down 0 at the tens column, and there is no any value is given for the ones. So we can also put 0 at the ones column, and we can read this number as a 200. How we can read this number? We can read this number as a 200. Now this homework you already had done in the fair book. That is number 1 to 100 This you have to write down in the fair book from 1 to 100. Now, the next textbook exercise. This is the heading. Just give this heading to the fair book. This way you have to give heading in the big handwriting. How you have to give this heading? Just give this heading in a big handwriting. This way in the middle of your book. Numbers 101 to 200. As per our heading of the chapter, numbers up to 200. So as per the heading, the title of the chapter, first of all, let's write 101 to 200 numbers. Let's write down these numbers in the fair book. And if you having textbook, just take out the page number 9. And the exercise is given and write down this number in the question number. You have to write down all the things in the fair book. You have to write down all the things in the fair book, which is compulsory for you all. See, I just giving you this instruction that write down in fair book. You have to write down this in the fair book. Now, this is your textbook page. The question number 3 and the page number is 9. Question number is 3 and the page number is 9. Just read the heading first. Write the numbers from 101 to 200. See them now. So here is as per the heading. While we are writing the numbers, we have to read it aloud. As per the instruction, while we are writing the numbers, we have to speak aloud. So here the numbers, some numbers are given and the missing numbers we have to write down. Now the number 101 is given, 102 is given, and the 103 is also given. After the number till 110 we have to write down. So let's write the number, and after writing the number we have to speak it aloud. So after 103 the number 104 will come. The number 103 after the number 104 will come. Now the next one, after 104 the number 105 will come. After 104 the number 105 will come. After this number 105 the number 106 will come. After 106 the number 107 will come. Now after the 107 the number 108 will come. So after 110 the number 109 will come. The number 110 is already given. So after 110 the number 111 will come. After 111 the number 112 will come. This is the very easy thing, students. Then after 112 the number 113 will come. After 112 the number 113 will come. Now after it the number 114 will come. After 113, the number 114 will come. Then the next one, after 114, the number 115 will come. As you know here, just read this number as a 115. After 115, the number 116 will come. Which number will come after it? After 115, the number 116 will come. The number 117 is already given. So after 117, the number 118 will come. Now the next one, after 118, the number 119 will come. Then after 119, the number 120 is given. After 119, the number 120 is given. Now after 120, the number 121 will come. After 120, the number 121 will come. Now after 121, the number 122 will come. Which number will come after 121? After 121, the number 122 will come. After 122, the number 123 will come. After 122, the number 123 will come. After 123, the number 124 will come. After 123, the number 124 will come. Now the next number, after 124, the number 125 will come. After 124, the number 125 will come. Then after 125, the number 126 will come. This is very important thing, students, and you must write down this in the fair book. Now after 126, the number 127 will come. After 126, the number 127 will come. Then after it, 127, the number 128 will come. After 127, the number 128 will come. Now after it, number 128 after, the number 129 will come. Now after 129, the number 130 will come. Now the next number is not given after 130, so we have to write down. So after 130, the next number 131 will come. After 130, the number 131 number will come. Now after 131, the number 132 will come. After 131, the number 132 will come. Now after 132, the number 133 will come. After 132, the number 133 will come. Now after 133, the number 134 will come. After 133, the number 134 will come. Now the next, after 134, the number 135 will come. Which number will come after 134? The number 135 will come. Now the next, after 135, the number 136 will come. After 135, the number 136 will come. After it, the next number is 137. Which is the next number? The next number is 137. After 137, the next number is 138. Which number is next after 137? After it, the number 138 will come. After 139 number will come. Then the number 140 will come. After 140, the number 141 will come. This is very easiest thing. After 141, the next number is 142. Which is the next number? 142. So after 142, the number 143 will come. After 142, the number 143 will come. After 143, the number 144 will come. Now the next number 145 is already given. So after it, the number 146 will come. Now after the 146, the number 147 will come. After 146, the number 147 will come. So the next number after 147, so the number is 148. After 147, the next number is 148. Now after 148, the next number will 149. And after 149, the next number is 150. What is the next number? 150. Now after 150, the number next is 151. After 150, the next number will 151. Now the next number after 151 is 152. What is the next number? After 151, it will be a 152. After it, the number 153. After number of 153, the next number is 154. Then after 154, the next number is 155. After 155, the next number is 156. After 155, the next number is 156. After 156, the next number is 157. Then after 157, the next number is 158. After 158, the next number is 159. After 159, the next number is 160. Now after 160, the next number is 161. After 160, the next number is 161. So after this number 161, the number next will come is 162. After 162, the next number is 163. Now after 163, the next number is 164. Now after 164, the next number is 165. Then after 165, the next number is 166. Then after 166, the number 167 will come. Then after 167, the next number is 168. After 168, the next number is 169. Then after 169, the next number is 170. Then the next number after 170, the next number is 171. Which is the next number? 171. Then the next number is 172. After 172, the next number is 173. After 173, the next number is 174. After 174, the next number is 175. After 175, the next number is 175. Then after 175, after the number 175, the next number 176 will come. Then after 176, the number 177 number will come. After 177, the next number 178 will come. Then the next after 178, the next number 179 will come. After it 180 number will come. Then the next after 180, the next number 180 will come. The number 182 is already given. After 182, the next number is 183. After it 184. After 185. After it 186. After it 187. After it 188. After it 189, and then 190 number will come. After 190, the number 191 will come. Then 192. Then 193. 194. 195. 196. 197. 198. 199, and the next number and the last is 200. Now please write down this in the fair book. Now thank you so much students for watching this video. Now write down all the things in the fair book. Have a nice day.